Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. बोलो श्री गुरु महाराज की जय, गुरु परंपरा की जय, सर्व संतन हरिभक्तन की जय, जय धामेश्वर महाप्रभु की जय, धामवासी भक्त वृंद की जय, सबार सद्गुरु नित्यानंद प्रभु की जय, अनंत अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, गौर प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। In Gaur Mandal Parikrama, या Gaur Dham, and Gaur Bhakta, they are how is helpful in Kali Yuga. Therefore, now all are realizing and understanding. Then Bhakta devotee, या Mahabhagavat, Purvarga Acharya with is getting relationship coming nearby. Like Krishna last time, Krishna, he is going forest, he is going within cows, all Brajamandal, all Lilaspalis, there Krishna, cowards boys with is going, cows with is going, but in Brajavasis here came nearby Krishna and making very sweet relation. He is continuous giving everybody's darshan and everybody's heart is collecting, bringing nearby. Same in Gaur-Mandal, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself, he is going everywhere. After Nityananda Prabhu, Advaita Prabhu, Namacharya Haridas Thakur, Bakreshwar Pandit, Gadadhar Pandit, Sivas Adi Bhakta Vrinda, and Uddharan Datta Thakur, Narari Sarkar Thakur, all holy name Kaviraj Goswami, Chaitanya Charitamrita writing. Gaura Amar Jesavasthane, Karala Bhamana Range, Sesavasthana Hiravami, Pranai Bhakata Sangi. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, anywhere he is going, all Gaur-Mandal and all bhaktas are going, that places, this Leela-bhumi has his prem sampatti, wealth is there present. That places you going with his pranay bhakta, meaning loveful heart, pure love and affectionate heart. That persons with this you going, then they are collecting, choosing and taking and giving. Like one mango garden, you are gone, but you don't know how is eating. Ripe mango to taking and stem side you taking, then will be enjoyed in lips and mouth. And back side to down to taking, then also tasteful. But you don't know, ripe mango also 1 day, 2 days, 3 days is saving after water inside putting and half an hour, then taking, then is tasteful. You go in cashew garden, cashew nuts, this garden has big one like mango fruits and down is small one cashew nuts. This fruit is ripe, very sweet, more than 1,000 times sugar. You are sticky, eating and then you are sticky, very sweet. But down is cashew nuts, you think I'm teeth with this cutting and inside to taking out these cashew nuts and eating, impossible. You taking, then your tongue, your lips and your mouth, everything like acid burning. Therefore people, animal, nobody like cashew nuts. Jagannath never eating cashew nuts. And this Jagannath, this cashew nuts you taking, definitely you will become leprosy in all lips and everything. They raw, very dangerous things. After that one's boiling fast within water, hot water, after the drying and then they breaking within machine, after next this one is frying and then selling his market. Raw cashews, no animal, nobody touching. They know. Also hand gloves with this taking out. Otherwise, hand will be rotten. Complete, finish. These are dangerous things. But this is very costly things. Cashew nuts. Same, this gold mandal, yeah, Brajamandal, Pranay Bhakta which is going for, why giving advice? Jesavasthana, Hirolami, Gauramar, Jesavasthana, Gauramar, Jesavasthana, Karola Brahmanarangi, Sesavasthana, Hiravami, Pranay Bhakta Sangi. Not going into Pranay Bhakta, Premi Bhakta, heartfelt love anybody has for these places, you not going, you cannot understanding, and making offense, disobey, neglecting that way, area, and lost everything. How can that proper respect offering, how can begging, how can taking, collecting, necessary, these rule regulations, no. Unknown persons, they are going, nothing happened there. Like Mahaprabhu, therefore, giving Nityananda's near order, Nityananda gone and showing it Jiva Goswami Prabhu. Like same, many years after, like 300 years after, 400 years after, Thakur Bhakti Vinod came. He is Bhakti Yunga Bhagirath. He is where he appears, his place's name Birnagar. And village, this area name Ula. That Birnagar, Gurudev is many times explaining, Honhar Birvan ke hote hai chikne paat. One, the sisam tree, Sagwan tree, very small, you planting, you looking, is one growing, two stem, one tree trunk, after two leaves, big, and 1 year after you looking big tree. And one tree, planting, watering, but very small, never growing more. So now Bhaktivinoda Thakur, he is Ishwar Chandra Mostapi, he is big landlord, big area, big garden, he is worshipping Jogmaya. And but his families all are worshipping this Gopal and Mahaprabhu. That area is worshipping Durga, then Kali, Chandi. Therefore that area, big garden, all garden, Durga Devi, all ghost, witch, Brahmarakshas, and Pret, and many, all dangerous, all soul is there present. All are very afraid, not going that area, nobody going. He has his landlord, he has many citizens, Praja, neighbors, any others, officers, nobody coming. Until government not coming. British government, that time, no coming, he is near a tax for. He is very popular, he has Siddhi. He has many ghosts. All ghosts he is giving order. You stay in this tree, you stay in this tree, you stay in this area, you stay in this area, all are acquiring. Temple is, and there is offering goat, sheep, buffalo, many ox, and many is offering. Many big puja, meaning 100,000 like his animal, offering blood with his going everywhere. Oh, and all animals, ghost, this area is acquiring and staying. Therefore, nobody coming. Very powerful that person, this personality. That house, he is telling my area's name will be Birnagar, and a great personality. I am very founder. And really, all are British scared. And he know good English. He is very scholar. Anybody came? Okay, you proper respect offering. my Durga, Kali, and entering. But his families are worshipping Gopal and Mahaprabhu. Now, Bhakti Thakur appears this family. Thakur Bhakti Vinod, his name Kedarnath. Why? He is saying Shiv Thakur name Kedarnath. Kedarnath, and there is hill station, Himalaya, Gangotri, Jamunotri, Kedar, Badri, four dham. He is giving his name Kedarnath. He is born sometime after he has tasted for Srimad Bhagavad Gita, Ved, Vedanta, Upanishad, Ramayana, Srimad Bhagavatam. He is now this tree, next tree, next tree. There he is all over world collection. He has garden, trees garden, mango, lychee, jackfruit, gulab jam, many all types of fruit until Ashok tree also. One tree named Ashok. Nice Ashok tree is near. Now he is looking, nobody coming our garden. More than like 100 acres land, garden, middle is temple and house. But nobody coming. He's one day asking school, students and neighbors, why not coming our house? What problem? They are not possible going. There are many gods, many, there is power, not possible going. Then how, what doing? He's alone. Now he's one tree under afternoon time, sitting and reading Srimad Bhagavad Gita, learning sloka. This looking, tree is shaking, like breaking. He asking, hey, who are you? He is not afraid. And who are you? Why you shaking this tree? Then the sound is, hey, you can come under my tree. Why not? Then, what are you reading? All are followers of Durga, Bhavani, Chandi, Kali Mata. What are you reading? Don't read here. You are reading Devi Bhagavat, Chandi, Puran. I am happy then. Say no, I am reading Bhagavad Gita. Definitely I am reading. Say, I am disturbing you. Say no problem. Next day, another tree. Next day, another tree. After some time, under Ashok tree, he is sitting and is Srimad Bhagavad Gita, his sloka, learning and singing songs. His tone melody, very sweet. You are looking these pictures, his old days, youngest pictures, looking tall and big, slim body, very fastest student. Now, he is saying, okay, and any tree is undergoing, there too sound is coming. He is surprised and asking his grandfather, I can understand why you all animals bringing and all are is carting, giving whom? And he say, my near is many soul, Atma, I am controlling them. There is powerful. I am telling you, do this, do this, do this. They are doing. They are running. All time doing and coming back. I am controlling all ghosts. Baba, he said ghost. Then he is starting this Bhagavad Gita class. Harinam Sankirtana. Alone, playing Mridanga, Kirtan, and at a time, first he is going one tree. This time is Gulab Jam tree. White color fruits, nice, nice. He going and shaking and fruit is coming down. He's surprised. No giving for reading. Leaves is coming. Sometimes water is coming. He said, what water? They are throwing. Disturbing thought. But he cannot abate. And they are saying loudly, Kedar, you don't come here more. He said, he gone, grandfather near complaining, I am going this under tree. Sound is coming. They are telling, don't come. Why not I am going? I am going. Then he say, yes, I am asking, they are not disturbing you. No more disturbing. Like he is big chogi, powerful, landlord. Then next day he is gone, he is reading Bhagavad Gita. Then all trees like his shadow come, light come, daytime, like many light. Then he is speaking. After they all get liberation, left this place. No more come. Then they giving big bone, telling, oh, one day you will be world famous, Acharya, Guru, and immortal. Your name and fame, popularity never will be open stop. You are helping us. All are is now going get liberation. Before Ishwar Chandra Mustafi, all are is catching, bringing, controlling, keeping, and giving all are is blood, meat, and animals. Now you giving all are is pure nectar. This nectar you distributing all over world. They are drinking this nectar. They are getting liberation, and they will be your footstep followers. Ishwar Chandra Mustafi is looking what is treatment grandson. He is now cleaning all. That time many Vaishnava come next day. Bhakta came and starting their Sankirtanam. Then he is writing, Ekhono bujhino Prabhu tomar acharan asukho abhayamrita purna sarvakkhan. After last, সেই অভয় পদ শিরে ধরিয়া পরমানন্দ নাচি তব পদগুণ গাইয়া. And he starting songs writing and kirtan. That time all Vaishnava Bhakta they are also dancing, doing kirtan. Ishwar Chandra Mustafi say, you are changing my all form, all everything. Then his deities is taking second floor. He said, okay, my debut will be proper and your Gopal will be down. He not giving any answer. He said, yes, after I am telling. Now not telling anything. He not against. After what happened? This village, big village, Bhakti Thakur writing Bijangam Sannyasi one books. Prem Pradip, his first 2 books. This Bijangam Sannyasi is writing, oh, big plague come, one disease. All villagers, once a night, everybody dead. No more people, only Bhakti Thakur and mother. Then mother is looking, my all children is finished. Only one son. She is taking and running. Where? Her father house. Where? In Odisha. There. They are gone. They are saving him. That time no medicine. This is called plague. One disease. Next disease, India came. Is called diarrhea. Not medicine that time. Plague means fever coming, body swelling, vomiting, passing, and senseless. Body swelling. And water, lot of body become water and all dead. No medicine working. Village to village, then government making big hole, digging and putting and finish all. That time plague too, he is gone that area. There too is learning, reading school. After his postmaster, next is magistrate. After his duty, sometime Jagannath Puri, sometime Calcutta, sometime Bihar, sometime Assam, many places British government under he is going. But everywhere, what is doing? When Vaishnavism, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Chaitanya Bhagavatam, Vaishnava Grantha, anywhere he is finding, collecting. And looking, he is repeating for waiting. All looking, all is mixed now. Hush push. no pure things. Then he is gone Madras library. He is gone Calcutta library. And Delhi, big city Bombay, they are to collecting Goswami's Granthas. And he is all Grantha, he is reading, and what is false, what is mixed, everything is take out. After Vidyapati, Chandidas, Jayadev, Kavi, all Kavis, all things is collecting. Mahaprabhu's this movement for is starting. He say this ghost and witch is only little things, but all area overall is acquiring and covering this many more than ghost, this Brahmarakshas, more than Brahmarakshas, many demons. How can there will be pure and clean? Then Bhakti Thakur first time is starting his Jaiva Dharma books. These Jaiva Dharma books like one story, history. But no. Here is realization, no realization also. What? Direct Goswami's order, not inspiration also. Direct order, Jiva Dharma. What is Jiva's soul? These rules and regulations. Jiva have an understanding. They don't know. Many persons, many types giving instruction, hints. But what is reality? They don't know. They are real things. How can understanding? Bhakti Thakur first is showing everybody what is Jiva's eternal position, what is condition, soul now present position, and how is they have permanent, where is permanent address, what is now present address, what Jiva's now work, after Jiva get diversion, where they going, what they are doing. Everything as it is translating and is writing and is offering. For whom? Is Nityananda Prabhu. And Mahaprabhu, Advaita Prabhu, Panchadatta. That time, all Babaji are, listener is coming. Once a time, Bhakti Thakur in meditate in Jagannath Puri, Odisha. There, one Jogi, he is very powerful Jogi. His name is Vishkishan. This Vishkishan, he is giving announcement everywhere. I am Krishna. Not one Krishna, 20 Krishna. One Krishna is came Traparjuga. I am 20 Traparjuga. I came. And I am now starting Raslila. All house to all ladies, definitely coming, not coming, all village, all town, all district, all state, I am destroying. This is my offer. Challenge. All are sending on wife, all sending on daughter, on sister, they are coming, and I am starting Ras, and Rasa dance is going on, and then everybody will be happy. This Ras I am giving, distributing, everybody getting sweetness, and their family will be very happy. Any gentleman, they are not sending, then I am destroying all, everybody. Very afraid, their British government, here is complaining, government giving order, Bhakti Thakur magistrate himself, he say yes, you give me some army and police. I am going within truck and guard with this. He is gone, he is looking big forest, big garden, nice, he is making hill station, waterfall, everything, and like his river flowing, the bank of river, all things. And his announcement is very bright and light and tall figure, chatlock, and he is telling, oh, million life to you are my disciples. Oh, you came, my darshan for, okay, I am happy with you, but you don't do against my anything, otherwise I am destroying you also. My bhakta, you, life to life. And he is telling first time to first day to everything. You are born Virnagar Ula, After there to you come Odisha, and there to Magistrate Jagannath Sevak. I am Jagannath. There I am sitting. There no my legs and hands and arms and everything. I am distributing for bhakta. I am eating every day. This and that. Very bogus talking. Bhakti Thakur hearing everything. After he say yes, yes, this is truthful. But I am now telling you something. You follow. Oh, what you from telling? I know. You try to kill me, arresting for, put in jail. Okay, now I am showing you. He is now calling Sudarshan Chakra, come. Mahasudarshanaya. And now he is starting his jetlag with his movie. And all jetlag to coming fire, rounding, and like Sudarshan Chakra. Big fire. All military, police, everybody running. They burn. This is moving, and jetlag moving, and like making Sudarshan Chakra. People are afraid. Really, Sudarshan came. Now killing all are running. Bhakti Thakur, not afraid. Not afraid. He is gone, telling, okay, thank you for you everything. He is giving handcuff, and leg is binding with his janjir like elephant, and put in his trap. He is silence, not doing anything. Say, yes, I am destroying your family all. Bhakti Thakur put in jail and come and looking, wife is Bhagavad Devi, big stomach, like floppy, like now living body. And sons, children, everybody like is dead, laying his room. Then he is bringing Jagannath Charanamrita and he is giving and he is gone in jail, taking scissors, tying his hand, legs like elephant, yes, animal, and all jetlag is cutting and throwing and firing, said kill, burn. Then his all yoga finished. Yoga is all yoga within jetlag. Then jetlag finish, ordinary man. After 3 days he is fasting. 3 days after he is dead. Therefore, Bhakti Thakur showing any yogi, bhogi, tapasvi, karmi, jnani, unauthorized. There he has some power, some days for, some time for. This is not his permanent. First time, he meeting with his family, grandfather, Ishtar Janna Mustafi also like same, more than powerful. He is controlling. Government also disturbed him. Many. And now, Bhakti Thakur challenging the yogi, Viskishan. Finish Viskishan, all are came Bhakti Thakur near. And telling, glorify Bhakti Thakur, protecting all are. Koliji, how can come in Krishna? And how can he bring Ras? Ras or meanings? Ras meanings Rasa. Vaishya Krishna. Krishna does coming anybody's heart, their heart has no more last, no more enjoy, no more reason for desire. They are only clean. Anybody thinking about Krishna, their heart has Krishna for respect and faith and love. And Kama Devaya Dhimahi. Kama Deva, where hiding and burning, is evaporating, is run away in Vrindavan. That Vrindavan garden, anybody heart has, then how can come and last? An ordinary one also? Not possible. Then how can a Viskishan is doing ras and doing enjoy? This is not possible. Then Bhakti Thakur, next is there every day evening time giving class. His official work is finished, then he not wasting 1 minute. All Babaji, Bhakta, everybody coming, they are starting Kirtan, Bhakti Thakur coming, he is giving class. He is very famous, popular now everywhere. But you know, anybody who will be little popular, there are many, behind to, dog also barking. Doggy more barking. Why are you riding in his car and going by bicycle? Footwork with this, they are barking. My area. Like Bhakti Thakur for, there is no barking. Who? Some Babajis. Telling, hey, You are my disciple. Don't go Bhakti Thakur near. He has no neck beads, he has no Brahmin thread, he has no tilak, he is not following Bhakti's rules, he is not ordinary worker and magistrate. Why following him? Don't go his near. Don't hearing his Harikatha. Then Babaji's disciples are hiding this side to come in, hearing Harikatha. Evening time gone, Babaji abusing not only telling to get back to the cow dung, swearing body and fasting, drinking is Charanamrita, then will be pure. And Bhaktivinoda giving class, that place is digging and all clay is throwing and cleaning that area within cow dung. The night time Babaji is sleeping for gone his room. First is all burning. Next, come at night, he is vomiting, passing. Now his room is full of this narak, hell is plain. Many fly and mosquito, they are coming and giving injection. Babaji, more biting, more vomiting, more passing, this is good for you. It's floating like top of. Disciples came and looking Babaji's position. And they crying, Babaji will die. And Babaji has no sense. Inside his stool and urine and water floating like, very good smell and very sweet now. Babaji now, disciples came Bhaktivinoda Thakur near. Bhaktivinoda Thakur came, telling, cleaning all, he is giving Jagannath Charanamrita. He has faith, giving Charanamrita and giving, after cleaning, giving Charanamrita, giving his medicine, he knows. Vaishnava has all qualities. He has medicine, he is homeopathic medicine giving, Babaji getting little relief and he is catching and holding Bhaktivinoda Thakur feet. Say, I am disobeying you. Jagannath is came and kicking and smashing me. He is trying to kill me. Oh my Sevak, you are disobeying? Neglecting and also hating? You don't know? That they do. They are, all Babajis are making meeting and telling his name, not now Kedarnath. He is now Bhakti Vinod. He is not ordinary person. He is founder Babaji's Mahamandaleshwar Acharya. He is now giving announcement and reality is telling. That Bhaktivinoda Thakur is Bhakti Ganga Bhagirath and Brahma Bhakti. He is, as it is bringing in this world and giving, distributing that Bhakti Ganga inside anybody bathing, showering, drinking, and touching and throw nearby also coming. Then their heart will be not only clean, will be very strong. And this is will be by offered Srimati Radharani. Therefore, that Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this birthplace called Ula Birnagar, Rasamaya Bhakti and Rasik Bhabu, Bhaktivinoda Thakur Mahaprabhu's movement next is starting. His lifetime, his more than 100 books he is writing. All books is not available. Prabhupada Srila Thakur all correcting, all reprinting for reserving, arranging. Then these books are after Prabhupada disappears, then some so-called Sevak is giving here and there, like other person, ordinary, Karmi, Jogi, Gyanis and Babajis, they make business. On name which is printing. But some persons, as it is telling, where from come, they are respecting Bhaktivinoda Thakur. His time, this Radharaman Charandas Babaji, Ramdas Babaji, and Bhagwan Das Babaji, Radhacharan Babaji, many Babaji are Bhaktivinoda Thakur near Borushoddar Babaji Maharaj, Raghunath Das Babaji Maharaj, all Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj, everybody coming and giving him very proper respect. Also Bhaktivinoda Thakur then starting Diksha Harinam and giving Babaji base. After he is giving order Prabhupada for no Now no more Babaji is giving. My disciples were you near and took sannyas. Then etiquette following. Otherwise, they are wearing Paramahansa ways. They destroy oneself, destroying everybody. Then his order with his Prabhupada Thakur, starting this sannyas, brahmachari, girasti, vanaprasthi, this Daiva Varnashram. Then Bhakti Thakur next time came his court room, Sananda Sukhoda Kunja opening. Mahaprabhu's movement he had to start. Before he is arranging platform. All after his Sananda Sukhoda Kunja too, he is starting this Gaudiya, Parampara, Bhajan and Bhakti's perfect rule regulations. Before he not like direct telling. Before he is teaching Ekadashi, Harinam, Tulasi, Vaishnav and Srimad Bhagavatam, how offering respect. And mostly Nam Sankirtana. He is opening this Namotta. This Namotta program, Bhakti Thakur opening. He said, this is all conditions for very helpful. No Namotta, then not possible. Group by group, one group here practicing every day Harinam Sankirtanam. No other kirtan, only Nam Sankirtanam. And after their group, 1 month after, 2 months, 3 months after, Bhakti Thakur inviting all groups. You coming. 2 hours, you Nam Sankirtanam. How much you are progress, how much you have love, I am looking. And I am giving you gift and presentation. What gift? 1 Chaitanya Charitamrita, 1 Chaitanya Bhagavatam, 1 Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and 1 torchlight, 1 bicycle, 1 mridanga, and 1 kartal. This is called Vaishnava Seva. Bhakti is for any instruments, any things is giving, this is Vaishnava Seva. And after, what is giving? Kerosene oil lamp. Night time, evening time, daytime, all villagers working. They have no time. Evening time coming, they are Nagar Sankirtan. After they sitting, there is one scholar giving class, you giving instruction, everybody. Starting. People now understand this is real God service. Otherwise, I am only chanting and I am only offering bhoga, you are eating and remembering. This is not real service. And Nam Sankirtan for no need any professional business. Only ordinary people in park, in garden, in street, in land, farmhouse, and you are starting kirtan. Bhakti Thakur village to village, making one straw hut. This is telling, this is your this Namotta, the center, and this is Dham Pracharani Sabha, Hari Bhakti Mandap, Hari Seva Mandap. Night he is opening, and all village to village he is going, and everywhere going, and like Janmashtami time program, inviting everybody. Gaur Purnima program, inviting everybody. All are coming. And please then all kirtan thought, practicing. Okay, this Swarnagati kirtan, all practicing. After Padyavali, you practicing. Javan Bhavali, you practicing. Stavavali, Stavamala. Gauranga Staval Kalpatrum, Gauranga Smaran Mangal Stotram. Chaitanya Mangal, Chaitanya Bhagavatam. Chaitanya Charitamrita, everybody complete learn, then he is giving big gift. Only not gift, within heartfelt this love and relationship. This is Acharya's own specialty. Bhakti Thakur is Bhakti is distributing. Therefore, all Jiva now came his lotus feet nearby. Then any Pranay Bhakta, Premi Bhakta, with this going, then they are begging, they are praying, oh, you giving something. Then they are opening, all distributing and giving. The Gaur Mandal is Lila Bhumi. Gaur Lila is present. Adhyapya sei Lila kore Gaur Rai. Kono kono bhagyavan dekhibare pai. Gaurari in Dham, eternal Dham, he is present. And he is now also doing, following all Lila. But some person watching, some person realizing, some person following. How? You are opening Namotpa and then it's possible. No Namotpa, then nothing happens. Bhaktivinoda starting Namotpa, Prachar. One night, like every night is going, coming back when? 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock or Prachar finish and then. He is hearing some jungle inside, some sound is came. Somebody crying, weeping, big sound is come. Then he has horse, he riding horse. Government, British government giving him. He is magistrate, that time no car and this, anything. And road, clay, mud and village area. Then his horse which is going, he has to be torch light with it. And he has many bodyguards, but he cannot taking within bodyguard. He is going, and now he is hearing big crying somebody, some ladies. He stopped his horse, he cannot avoid. He is asking, who are you? What is problem? Why you are crying? Then one lady telling, oh, I am suffering now. You distributing Harinam everywhere, everybody, but cannot you giving me chances for Harinam? I am be afraid with you. You kicking me, where I am going, where I am staying. He said, who are you? Say, I am Maya Devi. I am be afraid. You are kicking me everywhere Harinam. What can I do? How can I staying? Please you give me some Harinam. He is came Jagannath temple, then he is looking Bimala Devi. She is very disturbed. Why? Her front of Jagannath temple, many animals every day they carting and blood, then it is going. And then Panda Pujari, all animal body is eating meat. They are worshipping Jagannath. Then Bimala Devi very afraid. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur, they are starting Nam Sankirtan and Srimad Bhagavatam class and stopping everything. Now yearly 11 month not doing there anything, but now coming this Navaratri, then the Ashtami day, that day cutting many animals. After Bhaktivinoda Thakur time, complete stop. Their Panda Pujari not following Ekadashi. Bhaktivinoda Thakur starting Ekadashi. Why? Is near Jagannath Shakti Bimala helpful. All are demigods is helpful. Nobody against. He is saying, Bhaktistu Bhagasangana Pariyate Purvajama Sukriti Sanchitayi. First life I have Sukriti, no Sukriti. This life I am understanding that it I am starting some program for Sukriti. Betting Ganga, Jamuna, offering personal officiances, Tulsi Puja and Bhaktas devotees serving and Nam Harinam Sankirtan Prajar for helping everybody. You, everybody may grow. One group. All are Harinam program. This is Kali Yuga, very helpful. There too, Bhaktivinoda starting. And after this Thakur, Bhaktivinoda, he is gone. All senior Acharya Guru Vargas, Vaishnava senior, he is inviting everybody. Oh, please you come. Why? He is saying Mahaprabhu's birthplace for big problem. Where Mahaprabhu's birthplace and where this Lila Bhumi and everything very auspicious. Somebody this side, that side, many things is telling. Nobody has realization. Practically, they don't know anything. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur is telling, okay, one prominent person, his name Shiv Thakur. He is giving instruction and advice, then is good. Then he is gone, Tarakeshwar. Tarakeshwar Shiva, he is telling, you go in Godroom, I am also coming with you, I am showing you. Where is Mahaprabhu's birthplace? Where is Mahaprabhu's Lila Bhumi? As it is, I am showing you everything. Then Bhaktivinoda Thakur came and he is starting his Harinam Prachar and all Bhakti's program. Shiv Thakur, Simantini Devi, Parvati and other demigods, everybody came Thakur near. And they are telling, okay, in this world, one Vaishnava Sarvabhauma, Jagannath Das Babaji Maharaj is present. You inviting him. He is giving you an direction, this is truthful. This is as it is. Why? He has realization. He has relation. He knows everything. Then calling Babaji Maharaj. But Babaji Maharaj never left Brajamandal. Never gone distance to Brajamandal. He knows life and his age is 140 years. How can come in? But Shiv Thakur order, Bhaktivinoda Thakur request and pray, Babaji Maharaj, my body is old, but I can old. Body not helping me, today I left him. They have power. By basket, carrying bears, he came and he is showing where is Mahaprabhu's birthplace. That birthplace fact, anybody has doubt, they are not feeling and realizing anything. Mostly following is Bhakti's rules, then Bhaktivinoda Thakur with us. Only first 8 Nama Sankirtan, after everything. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur pray, very sweet, very humble pray. All are very lucky, come this parampara, very lucky. This Brahma Bhakti's line is very sweet line. This is not too hard. But no Nama Sankirtanam and is pray, no Sankirtanam, no classes, then all are going parampara to out. Therefore morning to evening, try to following him, proper respect, giving him, then Bhakti Ranga Bhagirath, his Bhakti Ganga Mandakini is bringing. They are showering, they are bathing, drinking, that things, all are is using, then life never will be disturbed and no any problems coming. No more obstacles, anything will be there. Therefore, this Bhaktivinoda birthplace, Ula, Birnagar, he appears. After his disappears in, after Samadhi in Godrum. And Bhagavati Devi, Prabhupada, Srishtakur mother, she is also living. Then Jogpet, Mayapur is nearby Mayapur birthplace, giving her Samadhi also. Her Samadhi Tapo, Gaur present and Nishika Bhakdev present. Her top of Samadhi. Gorkunda nearby her Samadhi center. These things is all are helpful. Mayapur going, Prabhupada Shastakund there is present, is Samadhi center. All Babaji Maharaj, Acharya there is Samadhi center. But all are near is praying and requesting, how can I am chanting Harinam? And this Namatto, how can opening, how can helping everybody. This is our very helpful. Now, tomorrow, next program hearing, now is here is stop.